All right, you guys. Per your request, I'm about to cut open an alien egg. Alrighty. I'm just playing. So they said wear gloves because it's sticky. They said get you a good knife, and then they said get you some coconut oil. They said it's so sticky that you need to lube it up. Okay. Somebody said this is normal, but that looked like some mold or something. I don't know what that is. It's something sticky on there, but we're not even gonna deal with that. Okay, we're trying to cut it out. But hey, let's get to it. I don't even know where to start, y'all. Okay. Ooh. What the heck? Okay. All right. Oh my god. Yeah, what the heck have I got myself into? That was good. I feel like, oh my goodness. Ooh. Ooh. I'm just gonna pry it open. Oh, okay. Ooh. It smells really tropically. Like, it smells like I should be on an island or something, like, I don't know, vacation. Now they say you can take these and roast them and boil them and do something with them. And they're, I'm gonna get that. They say you can roast them or boil them and they're good, but you know, I don't know nothing about that. But hey, I think you're supposed to take one of these pieces right here, and it's a seed inside of them. But a seed fell out of that one. I think that might be the one on the floor. I don't know. And yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna try it. It smells like I say. It smells like a pina colada. It smells like I should be on the beach or somewhere in another country. Like I smell like I should be like on an island or something. You know, that's what it's really giving the smell. But the taste, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Let's see. I'm ready to eat it. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it. Got paper towel stuck to my dang fingers. The heck? They said it was gonna be sticky. That's why they need the lube. Okay, let's see. Um, the taste, I can't describe the taste. I really don't know what to say. Like, let me taste it again. Okay, let me pick one of these sections out. Okay, I'm gonna get up in there. Oh, did I go too far? Oh, I got a big. Oh, Jesus, that's a big hunk. Oh, look at that. Okay, so I'm pick that seed out of there. Look at the seed, y'all. That's pretty. That's pretty. Okay. So now, let's try it again. Look at this. Look at it. Okay. Okay. I don't think I'm supposed to eat that. I don't think I'm supposed to eat this part. I don't think. At least the videos I watched, they didn't eat it. Okay. Okay. Is it a seed up in there? The hell? It's the texture for me. Okay, let's try it again. Mmm. It has, it tastes real tropical. Like it wanna be, this is just the flavor. This ain't got nothing to do with the texture. That's a whole different story. Um, it's like it wanna be pineapple-y, but not. It got a hint of banana, but not. Mm. Uh, mango, but not like it's giving all kind of tropical and banana fruits, you know. I mean tropical fruits and banana. Uh but it's a light hint of it. It ain't like a strong, pungent taste of it. It's really light. But the texture is what throw me off. Maybe it's not ripe all the way. I don't know. Maybe it's not ripe. Can't be. Because the texture tastes like somebody just like dropped some cabbage in the pot of boiling water for like a minute or two. And you eating that. Like the texture is real tough almost and chewy. Real chewy. I don't know, y'all. I mean, I don't know how I feel about the jackfruit. Maybe if I find out how you cook it, the fresh jackfruit, how you cook it down, then I might use it. But I mean, personally, I don't think I'm gonna just buy another jackfruit. You know, I don't think that's not my goal. My goal is not to just be buying jackfruit. But this is pretty. These little seeds or beans or is whatever this is. It's like an alien fruit or something. I don't know what's going on with it. I like it though. The seeds, they're pretty. I don't know. Maybe I roast the seeds like they said. And then it got milk in it. What is it? I've seen some other people had milk in theirs. Let's see, leaking milk. She leaking. Soaking wet. I don't know if I want to. Feel like I was completing a science experiment. You know, it's I don't want it. I don't even feel like putting in the work to do everything that needs to be done. I don't know how to cook it fresh. I mean, do I boil it down to get it like it's in a can? Like, what do I do? What do I do? And then it's sticky. Your hands stick to everything. It's sticky. I tried to show y'all earlier, but it's a milky white substance right there, y'all. And they say you can use that to make gum. Well, it's been used to make gum. Something like that. I don't know making no gum. So go out and try you a jackfruit or not. Yeah. I don't want no jackfruit no more. I'm gonna walk by it when I see it in the store. Cause I don't want no jackfruit no more. This jackfruit has got to go for sure. Pop it out. Come on out of that butt. Come on. Ooh, there you go. Whew. I feel like I just delivered a seed. Okay. All right. Ooh. Okay. This was some work, you guys. This was some real deal work. I still feel like it's some more seeds in there. Let me see. I'm about to investigate. It is. It is. Oh, come on, Cooper. Oh, look at there. Shoot. They hide behind it. It's seeds everywhere, y'all. Well, I want to thank y'all for sitting with me while I butchered this here jackfruit. And don't y'all forget to hit that like button. And if you would like to see some of the different foods I've tried and are planning to try on my health and healing journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can know when I'm coming up. All right.